Uh-oh. Did we create a waterfall of our own over here?
All right, this is oh, this.
Hey Carson, are you going back to the car this time? Good. At least I know that. If I fall behind, I know where you guys are going now.
You like the music?
Don't touch the slide.
You love your brother? You love your brother?
Yes, he does.
Yes,
Does Ronan have a camera?
yeah, mine though.
Oh,
He doesn't even have a phone.
what's that?
Yeah, I guess technically he does because he has a tablet.
But it's broken.
The second time.
No, I was just saying, like, if you have a YouTube channel,
Yeah.
could have been doing this.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That's all right. I took care of that.
No, Dad, no. It's the first time I broke my phone. You broke my phone.
Well, no, you technically, it was already broken. I just snapped on it so it stopped it way more. But you had dropped it and already stopped it.
Uh-oh.
No, I never did that. You stepped on it, and then you snapped on it, and then not already snapped. You.
All right, keep going. Grass on the ground.
Well, this will be about it for now. Uh, oh! I didn't know you were coming here.
This guy tried to give me a...
Oh boy.
He's still walking along.
Huh?
Oops, careful now.
Okay, so we are. Hold on just a little bit.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
so
go.
we're actually going to go back to the south and do the little jaunt down.
Yeah, we are
jaunt
too.
out.
We are
okay.
too. Yeah, that's literally where we were about to go. Like right now.
We just went past it kind of by mistake, but it wasn't by mistake.
Did you come from Philomath then?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you were staying in Wilsonville or something.
No, Philomath.
Okay. They are staying in Philomath this time.
Yeah, this is my bud Dan.
Hi, Dan. I'm Will. Carson's husband.
Yeah.
Son-in-law.
You got a critter there.
Yeah, I do.
A screamer.
Huh?
What's she afraid of?
Yeah, you can start it. Oh, you can't. Oh,
She seemed to be fearful about something. What are you doing?
come on, baby.
I know. They're heading down there too.
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's great, guys. You guys walk down to the waterfall?
Hey, what's up?
How far was it? Wasn't too bad. Was there a lot of